My name is Robert Cruz. I'm an instructor for the MDC Builds construction program. We teach them a little bit about the basics of plumbing, masonry, electrical, carpentry, HVAC, along with safety training for the construction site, hand tools, power tools, so forth. If you have no construction experience whatsoever, you're going to be able to hit the ground running with skills that some of the other people on the job site may not have. In particular, the OSHA safety certification makes you an asset to the construction company.
If you take this class and you go into the workplace, you'll definitely understand the basics and you won't have to have someone teach you what you're doing. What I like most about the class is coming in and doing like hands-on work. I like working with the tools, and I like learning about particularly carpentry.
Siempre me ha llamado un poco la atención la construcción, pero nunca en el sentido de estudiar. Pensé que esta iba a ser una buena oportunidad para poder aprender un poco más y crecer. Todo ha sido súper interesante. Lo que más me ha gustado de la clase es la variedad y el programa es súper fantástico. Me siento más capaz y más hábil de poder ayudar a mi esposo a crecer nuestro programa y crecer las mujeres en el medio de la construcción.
My husband's a general contractor and I'm usually the assistant. So normally he talks to me about construction all the time, and I wanted to get into understanding what he means when he talks. We're learning carpentry, we're learning about trusses, drywall, things that I didn't even think was interesting becomes interesting.
It's an incredible opportunity. You're going to get free education, free certification, free OSHA training. It is one heck of a deal in an industry that is currently in dire need of new employees.